This channel opened 2 weeks ago, and based on its views is earning approximately $1,936 just by making tool assembly and combination videos. No camera, no face, just AI. We're showing you in detail how to make something similar, and I'm giving you the free prompt in the video. But first, let's start by going to Gemini to begin production. In the Gemini gem we specifically prepared for this content, we first type start and send our message to launch the bot. The bot will quickly ask you important details about the video you want to produce, from tool preference to the color of the tool, and based on the answers you give it, will provide you with 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. You can check the link in the video's description to access this Gemini gem and also the raw master prompt. After giving our details and receiving our prompts, we first copy our first image prompt and go to the OpenArt website. After arriving at the main screen of the OpenArt website, we click on the Create Image tool in the side menu, and to create our first image we first select Nano Banana 2 as our image production model from the model selection section at the top, then paste our first scene image prompt that we just copied into the prompt section right below, and finally set our image output settings at the very bottom to 9:16 vertical format and 1K image resolution, and click the Generate button to produce it. The first scene we produced will look like this as the beginning of the video. We save it, and to create our ending image scene we go back to Gemini and copy our second image, the end frame prompt, and return to the OpenArt website. To produce our second scene at the same quality on the OpenArt website, we click on the Edit Image tool in the side menu. We drag and drop our first image scene into the image drop area in the panel that opens and paste our second image prompt that we copied into the prompt section right below it. And after making sure the production model is Nano Banana 2, again, we click the Generate button to produce our final image scene needed for our video. The generated image will look like this. After creating both of our images, we finally click on the Frame to Video tool in the side menu to create our video, and in the screen that opens, we first set the model option at the very top to Kling 3.0, then drag and drop our first generated image into the Start Frame section right below, and our last generated image into the End Frame section right next to it. After that, we go back to Gemini to get our final prompt and copy our video prompt and paste it into the Video Prompt section on OpenArt. Finally, we make sure the video's audio settings are on, set the output settings to 10 seconds video duration and 720p video resolution, and press the Generate button to obtain our video. After production, I also added screwdriver and tool usage details to the prompt. You can also choose different production models and resolution options based on your budget throughout the production process. Of course, most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here is what our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.